Friends, let me have another example on a binomial distribution here. In 800 families with 5 children each, how many families would be expected to have 3 boys, 5 girls, either 2 or 3 boys, at most 2 girls, by assuming probabilities for boys and girls to be equal. Here total 800 families are there. All 800 families are having, each family of that 800 is having 5 children each. Therefore, first I have to consider for one family. For one family I have to discuss that probability. I have to multiply for 800. That will be giving the number of families. Therefore, the probabilities for 3 boys, probabilities for 5 girls, probabilities of 2 or 3 boys and at most 3 girls, like that I have to find out first. Then I have to multiply with 800, that will give you number of families. Therefore, given things, let me write here, given number of families capital N is equal to 800. For each family, number of trials of having a children, small n is equal to 5. Number of child or number of trials n is equal to 5, because the number of children, 5 children are there. Like that, I have to assuming the probability for boys and girls is, now I have to define a success. Let success be, what I have to define success now then? I have to find 3 boys, 5 girls, like that. Any having for one trial, out of 5 trial, for one trial, either it may be a boy girl or a girl, boy baby or girl baby. Therefore, I have to give the equal probability for that boy or a girl. Therefore, let me define let me success be, either you can choose a boy or a girl. For my convenience, I will choose success be having boy. Okay. Therefore, probability of success small p equal to, therefore probability of success small p is equal to either boy or a girl. Therefore, it is 1 by 2. Q is equal to also 1 by 2. Therefore, by binomial distribution, probability of success, x successes, is equal to, x is number of boys here now. Okay. Therefore, x is number of boys. Okay. N C x, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x. That is, n is nothing here, 5 cx, 1 by 2 raised to x, 1 by 2 raised to 5 minus x. If you simplify, 1 by 2 LCM, same basis, x plus 5 minus x cancels, that is equal to 5cx divided into 1 by 2 raised to 5. Therefore, p of x is equal to 5cx divided by 32 is my probability function. Using this one by one problem, let me solve. First one is what? 3 boys. Probability of 3 boys, let me solve first. Probability of 3 boys, having 3 boys, is given by probability of x. X is nothing but number of boys, number of successes, x equal to 3. that is, I will substitute 5cx divided by 5c3 divided by 32, which is I can solve it using the calculator. 5cx divided by 32, calc option, x equal to 3, I'll get 5 divided by 16. 5 divided by 16 is my probability of having 3 boys. Therefore, number of families with 3 boys is equal to probability of x equal to 3 into n, 5 by 16 into 800 is equal to 250. 250 family will have the 3 boys. Then second option, 5 girls, probability of 5 girls. If that family is having all 5 girls, then there will be no boys. Therefore, no boys meaning is what? X is equal to 0. Number of boys. X represents number of boys. 5 girls is nothing but 0 boys. Okay, that is 5c0 divided by 32, that is 1 divided by 32. Therefore, number of families with 5 girls is equal to probability of x equal to 0 into n, that is 1 by 32 into 800 will give you 25 families are with 5 girls. Third option is to find out what? Either 2 or 3 boys. Probability of either 2 or 3 boys is nothing but I have to find the probability of x equal to 2 or 3, that is probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3, either 2 boys or 3, or I am using, that's what I have to use here, probabilities I have to add. That is given by 5c2 divided by 32 plus 5c3 divided by 32, which is equal to, I can write it as a calc option, x equal to 2 will give you 5 by 16 plus x equal to 3, that is also 5 by 16, that is 10 divided by 16. Therefore, number of families equal to number of families with 2 or 3 boys is equal to 10 divided by 16 into 800, that will give you 500 families with 5. And lastly, fourth option, at most 2 girls, meaning is maximum 2 girls it may have. Therefore, it may have 0 girls, that is 0 girls or 1 girl or 2 girls. That is nothing but 0 girls is having family means all 5 girls, all 4 boys, or 4 boys may have there, or 3 boys may have. But because of, I am writing in terms of boys, because of what? Because of the success I have defined it as boys. Therefore, which is equal to probability of x equal to 5 plus probability of x equal to 4 plus probability of x equal to 3. If I simplify that, I am going to get it as I'll write it directly. Please refer calculator and solve this. Here I am getting total addition of all these things will give you 16 divided by 32, that is nothing but 1 by 2. Therefore, number of families with at most 2 girls, at most 2 girls is equal to probability of x equal to 5 plus probability of x equal to 4 plus probability of x equal to 3 into 800 equal to 400. Total 400 families are with at most 2 girls. Such some more examples I am solving. Please subscribe my channel and give the comments. Thank you friends.